question. There are many ways to get money.
Walk to the vault!
I'm Walt to the vault. Let's learn about money.
What are you thinking about buying?
Things that money can't buy, like friends or the earth and the sky.
Then we came up with a new strategy.
Good. What did you do? Though I guess that strategy didn't work too.
These dreams off the shelf. You just got to make them yourself. And to live with good health.
Can I hear your special rhyme?
Well, of course. Before you spend it, you must choose exactly how much cash to use. Because once you spend it in a store, the money's not yours anymore.
Before you spend it, you must choose exactly how much